If you've accidentally deleted important text messages on your Android phone, don't panic. Samsung devices and many modern messaging apps offer a built-in way to recover them quickly as long as you act within the retention period. To start, open the Messages app. This is where all your SMS and chat conversations are normally stored. Once inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the three-dot menu icon to open additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Trash or Recycle Bin. The name may vary depending on your Samsung version. Here, you'll find all recently deleted messages that haven't been permanently erased yet. Samsung typically keeps deleted messages for up to 30 days, giving you a limited time window to restore them. Now browse through the deleted conversations carefully. When you find the message or chat you want to recover, tap and hold it to select. After selecting, press the Restore or Recover option. The message will immediately return to your main inbox as if it was never deleted. It's important to remember that this feature mainly works on the Samsung Messages app. If you're using Google Messages, recovery options may be different or limited. And once the retention period ends, messages are permanently deleted and cannot be restored. For best results, always check your trash folder as soon as you notice missing messages. Regular backups using Samsung Cloud or Google Drive can also help prevent data loss in the future. In short, recovering deleted messages on Samsung is simple, but timing is everything, so act quickly before they're gone for good. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.